This training will demonstrate how to receive against a purchase order in Costpoint. Please make sure to turn your computer volume on so you can hear the narration. This training will take approximately 3 minutes to complete. Please click the button on the bottom right to begin. Let's begin by first logging into Costpoint. This is the main page you will see once you're logged into the system. On the left, you will see all the different available modules. For most Program Assistant purposes, and for the purpose of this training, you will be clicking into the Materials module. Once you have clicked on Materials, then select Receiving. Then select Receiving again. Then select Manage Purchase Order Receipts. You are now on the correct page to receive against a purchase order. First, you will need the purchase order number for the agreement you are receiving against. Enter the appropriate PO number in the PO number field and then press Tab. Note that when you press Tab, some of the sections to the right will auto-populate. Check to confirm that the vendor name matches the name of the agreement for which you are receiving against. Below the PO number field, you will see a section to enter the packing slip number. In this field, you will need to enter the funding directive number. Enter the appropriate funding directive number. For the purpose of this training, we're entering Funding Directive 2. Then click Auto Load on the right side of your screen. Once you click Auto Load, the bottom section of your screen will populate. This auto-populated information includes the total amount of the purchase order, the amount that has already been received against, and the remaining available amount in the purchase order. Enter the amount of the funding directive in the Received Quantity field and press Tab. Then enter the same funding directive amount in the Accepted Quantity field. Make sure to enter the same amount in both fields. In this example, the entire purchase order amount has been received against. Notice that the open quantity is now 0, since there are no funds remaining to be received against in the purchase order. Before continuing, double-check that the total received amount and funding directive amount are correct and equal to each other. Once you are sure all information is accurate, click on the Save and Continue icon at the top of your screen. Once you've clicked the Save and Continue button, a message will appear in the bottom left of your screen with the number assigned to your receipt. It's very important to save this receipt number, since this information is needed in the next steps for processing a payment. For our purposes, this receiving number is stored in the Periods module in the Access database. Please refer to the next training module for more information.